Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining what you need and why. That drives every choice. Decide if you track a car, asset, pet, or person, then pick required range and update interval, real-time versus 10-minute pings. Set battery life expectations and a clear monthly budget. Remember subscription fees. Once done, verify local laws and permissions so you won't risk fines. Make a short feature checklist: waterproofing, magnetic mount, geofencing, and prioritize the top 3 must-have specs before shopping. You now compare devices and connectivity. This is where cost meets performance. Look at GNSS plus cellular trackers for urban coverage, low RAW for local networks, or satellite for remote areas. Compare carriers by coverage maps and choose SIM versus embedded eSIM based on flexibility. Request trials so you can measure accuracy and latency in your environment. Make sure device size and mounting suit the asset. Once you have 2-3 finalists, total the hardware cost plus 12 months of data to decide. You complete the process by buying from a verified vendor and confirming warranty and return policy. When the device arrives, install the SIM or activate eSIM, set the APN and server endpoint, and configure reporting rate plus geofences. Test in real conditions, drive routes, varied terrain, and indoors to confirm accuracy and battery life. If tracking fails, first check SIM activation, APN, and power. As a tip, reboot the tracker and run diagnostics. This fixes most issues quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.